Okay, this is quiz number 32. So we want to complete the following truth tables for these expressions. So if we look at A, so remember we could expand this, we can expand this expression to be A, B bar, C, or C bar, plus A bar, B, or B bar, C. And this is going to be A, B bar, C, or A, B bar, C bar, or A bar, B, C, or A bar, B bar, C. So there's going to be four places in the table where that's true. So A, B bar, C, that's going to be A, B bar, C, so that's going to be a 1. A, B bar, C bar would be A, B bar, C bar, that's going to be a 1. Then A bar, B, C, that's going to be A bar, B, C, that'll be a 1. Then A bar, B bar, C bar, or A bar, B bar, C, this would be A bar, B bar, C, that'll be a 1. And then everything else is 0. Okay, so that's the way we do that one. This one, everything's already expanded for us. And so A bar, B bar, C bar is this one. A bar, B bar, C bar. And then A, B bar, C is going to be A, B bar, C. And then A, B, C bar would be A and B, A, B, C bar. That'll be 1. And then everything else would be zeros. Okay, and then so on this one we have to remember De Morgan's laws, which say that B plus C bar, this is going to be equal to B bar C bar, like that. That's this is De Morgan law. And then we could write this as A, B, C, A or A bar, B bar, C bar. That'll be A, B, C, A, B bar, C bar, or A bar, B bar, C bar. So A, B, C is, this is A, B, C. A, B bar, C bar is going to be A, B bar, C bar. And then A bar, B bar, C bar, that's this one, A bar, B bar, C bar. And the rest of them would be 0. Okay, that's quiz 32.